What is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So right now mag-i-install tayo ng keyless fuel cap for our ZX6R. Ayan. So kakarating lang na ito. Buksan natin. So this is from Arashi guys. In-order ko siya through Shopee. And so may pa-invoice pa sila. And they also gave stickers. Okay, so let's unbox this. Ganda guys. I got the color red. May ibang colors pa yan. I think they have blue, orange, and black. So this is also one way guys to enhance the looks of your bike. So as you can see, yung pangit ng stock. Hindi naman pangit, pero it looks better with this for sure. And it also adds, it also adds convenience every time you pull up sa gas station and magpapagas ka. You don't have to remove the key and then ipapasok nyo pa dito. With this, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is to turn off the bike and then pop out this thing right here. By the way, bumili rin pala ako ng 450 SR keyless fuel cap. So abangan nyo yung video about that. But for now, install muna natin to. So in order to get this out, all you need to do is unlock and then tanggalin nyo yung 4 na bolt. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so be careful lang guys when doing this. Make sure na walang mahuhulog dyan sa butas. So magkakaroon kayo mas malaking problema if may nahulog dyan. Okay, so we are done removing the stock fuel cap. Grabe ang dumi. So, linisin ko lang to and then ikabit na natin yung Arashi fuel cap natin. Alright guys, so we are done with the install. So, medyo nahirapan lang ako kasi pag nagkakabit kayo ng ganito, hindi siya pwedeng pagsunod-sunurin yung pagsikip. Say for example, ito yung unahin mo and then ito. Kailangan, based lang na panood ko, kailangan daw cross pattern siya. So ito muna, and then ito, and then ito, and then ito. Something like that. Para balance yung pagbaba ng fuel cap sa tank natin. Alright guys, so this is how it looks from this POV. And pag nakasakay ka, ayun yung makikita mo. So, I'm happy kasi bumagay naman yung red. I was planning to get the black one. Pero sabi ko parang napaka-basic or napaka-plain. Kaya kinuha ko tong red. So far, okay naman siya. Okay, so ganito yung mechanism niya. All you have to do is push and twist. Ayan. Then, ganoon lang din. Pag babalik nyo, hindi nyo kailangan tulak. Just twist it. So, ikot nyo lang. So, may seal yan sa ilalim. Hindi ko na napakita kanina pero may seal yan sa ilalim. Alright guys, so nilabas ko yung bike. So, you guys can have a better view of the keyless gas cap from Arashi. So, ayan. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link nito sa baba, sa description. So check nyo na lang yun. And if may mga tanong kayo, comment down below lang. So cut ko na yung video dito guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.